Okay, guys, this last one, example number 4, it says graph -3 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 2, over the domain of the real numbers. That means all numbers that we work with. Unreal numbers, remember, the square roots of negatives, or imaginary numbers. Okay, but we're not considering those. This is just all numbers that we're used to working with. All right. Now, when it says graph it, what that means for this one is that we're just looking at one variable here. This isn't a linear inequality, right? I'm going to put up a number line right here. I've got two critical numbers, -3 and 2. All right? I'm going to put -3 on the left because it's smaller and 2 on the right. Now, I could have put 0 in the middle and that would be about right here. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay, like that. Just to give it some scale, right? Now, with my two critical numbers, I'm going to put a big circle around them. You guys remember us doing this last year?
Nope.
That was Miles. Now, let me ask you this. Remember, we colored in some of the circles, and some of them we left open. Do you remember why we colored in circles, or which one we color in? Think about this. Let's deal with this first part first. It says that x is greater than or equal to -3. Well, -3 is less than the variable. Okay? So that means that x can be -3, right? So I color it in to say, yeah, it can be -3, or larger. On the other side, it says that x has to be less than -2. That means it cannot equal -2. So am I going to color in that circle? No.
It's just 2.
Okay. I'm sorry, did I say -2? I meant to say just 2. So do you see it can be -3, so I color it in, and it can be all the numbers between -3 and 2, but it can't be 2, so I don't color in 2. I only color in the circle if it has the little equal to part under the inequality. Okay? Right here. It could equal -3, so I colored in the circle over -3. It could not be 2, so I left that one open. Does that make sense to everybody? Are we good? Any questions on that? Done. You ready for your homework?